All right, well, it is the last week of the semester. Our last test is on Friday. Once again, the test will be in FP8. Try to be on time. There are other classes that come in after we're done. Make sure you get your journals done and turned in on Thursday. As far as the test goes, 85 of the points will cover chapter 6 and 8. There will be a mixture problem. There will be a word problem. So make sure you take the time to understand how those problems work. The last 15 points will come from the first two tests. And if you scroll down and look through the study guide, you'll see question number 1 says that 3 of these 6 questions are going to be on the final. They will be exactly these 6 questions. So take the time, as much time as you need, to make sure that you understand how to solve these problems from earlier in the semester. After that, you'll see a variety of other problems that deal with rational expressions, and then some mixture problems, some systems of equations problems, and then some mixture problems at the end. So take the time to learn those. All of the solutions with my step-by-step instruction is down here so that you can see those. The last test is on Friday. Registration has already opened up, so if you haven't yet registered for your classes for the spring, make sure you get on that. If you have any questions about what class you should be taking, send me an email. I'd be more than happy to give you as much guidance and information as I can. Otherwise, get in and meet with a counselor and make sure you're on the right path.